Good snowy morning. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Today I'm working on Nancy Piter's Christmas prompts for 2024, and today is day 6, and the prompt is Advent. And all I could think of for Advent would be an Advent calendar. So I'm going to sort of make a mini Advent calendar. I have a background here that kind of looks like gingerbread. And I have all these tags that I got last year, and I thought that I would actually make pockets out of them, and then I'm going to, well, you can see them all here. I was going to keep it a secret, and I forgot to hide them. Each day you pull one out, and I'm going to have some kind of message or a Bible verse or something like that inside. So I'm not going to use these things, and they are coming off really ridiculously easy, so I have a feeling they've lost all their stickiness. So that's what we're going to do. I don't want them puffed out that much. So I hope you're all doing well. I hope you're happy and healthy and warm and dry. We are in the middle of another snow watch. It's been snowing all night off and on, and it's been snowing off and on all morning, and we're in a winter storm watch until like 4 a.m. Friday morning, which would be like tomorrow. But anyway, let's glue this on. Been trying to find a day to go visit our friend in the hospital. It's 2 hours away. But the weather is not cooperating very well, but we're hoping that we'll be able to do it tomorrow. So we're going to put this on here, just like so. And I do feel like I'm covering up all my coffee dyed papers. I might as well just put plain white paper down, to be honest. And then if I want a coffee dyed paper, just glue one on. Like, I love these polka dot ones. I don't want to cover that one up. I'll have to find something to do with that I don't have to cover up. And now, the next thing I need to do is close up my little thingies here into pockets. And hopefully, maybe I can use clothespins to keep it down. Maybe I won't need to, I don't know. Let's see. Looks like maybe I don't need to. This one's not sticking too well right there. I got these little teeny tiny clothespins. There may not be any glue in that actual exact spot, but let's see. Alright, still fits, so we're going to keep on doing that. I'm going to use 6 of them, because that's about all I can fit on the paper. I probably will put numbers on them, but we'll see. If I have the right colors, I can. Yeah, that one's doing the same thing as the other one did. Not sticking right there. I gotta figure out where all my clothespins are. These are a little overkill, I think. Yeah, but I think it'll be alright. Here's a little snowman guy. And I'm not going to bore you with doing this for all 6 of them, so I'm going to just close this one up, and we will be back when I'm all done. So all my little pockets are prepared, and let's glue them down. I have little messages on my tags that are going to be going in there, and I'll read them to you guys later. But first, let's do this. Let's kind of try to mix up the colors a little bit. Like that one's mostly green, so So we'll put a mostly red one next to him. There. They're all plaid, so that doesn't make any difference. Let's put that one there, this one here, and this one here. I think that looks pretty good. Hope you're doing well. And I think I might have already said it. I hope, but I can say it again. I hope you're happy, healthy, well, and safe and warm and dry. Holiday seasons can be difficult, and I hope that you are doing well this holiday season. I hope that you have loved ones that you can spend it with. And, yeah. Well, let's put that one there, and this one here. I have a feeling I should have put those down a little lower. I think my tags are going to stick out too much, but that's okay. We'll live with it. Now we're going to put our numbers on. I've got some green and red numbers. So let's figure that one out. See, we'll just put number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hopefully these show up. So this one's going to go right here. Maybe I should put it on the green part, actually. I'll move it down. Should probably get my tweezers out. Yeah, I think I should. These little number and letter stickers are really hard to get on in the right spot. I think my laundry just finished. We'll put a green 2. And then I also have to put the number of the whole prompt down. There's 2. Oh, where am I going to put 3 on that one? Maybe a red. Alternate, maybe. Red 3. I guess I could kind of squeeze that in right there. 3. Green 4. Gotta punch, whoops, punch this part out. Okay, 4 is going to go right here. Red 5 can just go right on top of that, I think. 5. And I think we're going to have to go with another red number, because that's just too green. 6. Okay. Okay, there we go. I'm liking the way this is looking. Okay, so, and number 1 is this cute little kitty. And it says, "The Word became flesh and made his dwelling among us. We have seen his glory, the glory of the one and only Son, who came from the Father, full of grace and truth." And that is John 1:14. So that's going to go in this pocket. The angel said to her, "Do not be afraid, Mary. You have found favor with God. You will conceive and give birth to a son, and you are to call him Jesus." Luke 1:30. If you're not religious and don't want to listen to this, you can, I guess, turn the sound down or not watch. But anyway, I liked these verses, and that's what I'm going to put in my little thing. "For unto us a child is born, and the government will be on his shoulders, and he will be called Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, Everlasting Father, Prince of Peace." Isaiah 9:6. And that's going to go right in there. Okay, which is which? Okay. And all this took place to fulfill what the Lord said through the prophet. The virgin will conceive and give birth to a son, and they will call him Emmanuel, which means God is with us, or God with us. Matthew 1:22 and 23. It's going to go right in there. Oh, that one's not opening. There we go. No. Is it? Maybe I didn't glue it right. Okay, I think I just put too much glue on that one. All right. A voice of one calling in the wilderness, prepare the way for the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God. Isaiah 43. And the last one is something I wish for all of you. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in him, so that you may overflow with hope by the power of the Holy Spirit. Romans 15:13. You know, if we didn't have hope, we would not be able to cope. At least I wouldn't be. Okay, let's open you up. I would not be able to cope if I had no hope. Oops. I have to put that one back on. Actually, doesn't really have to, but make them flatter. I didn't realize it was the exact same thing underneath like that. Oh well, that's flatter. Anyway, and this was prompt number 6, so I need a 6, and maybe I'll just do a circle cutout for that so you can see it good. Alright, so there you have it, my layout for the prompt Advent, a little tiny Advent calendar. I hope you enjoyed it, and like I said before, I do hope you are filled with hope and love and all good things, not just in this season, but all the time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.